Oh, you just had to wait it out? Oh, that looks good, buddy. That looks good. I think you hooked him. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
There you go.
What? What? You are eating a lobster. You're eating 2 lobsters, buddy. Yes.
At least your money on him. It's yours. It's yours, man. It's yours.
No, we gotta go.
Alright.
That's a weird part of this.
Yeah, it's probably part of that. Yep.
You are a hardcore dude. You are a serious kid. I couldn't do that. Yes.
Yeah, can you take a picture of me?
Yeah, I got it. This is a video. What's your name, buddy?
Connor.
Good job, Connor. Catching a lobster day after Christmas.
You don't want it?
No, it's
We're not
okay.
gonna eat it.